Welcome back to Instables. It looks like FULC had a major breakout today, up about 150% on that major breakout. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue to break out and exactly where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart with you guys here on FULC, and then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which major key resistance we do need to break above, as we have one major very key resistance to break above with volume and again with buy pressure. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And also towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys exactly where I would alert this one and how I would alert this one on TradingView so you guys do not miss out on the next breakout if it does happen. And before we do get started, I want to mention that we did alert this one at 5:23 a.m. this morning, as you guys can see here. We also did mention ZEV, which also had an 80% breakout today. And we also did mention AHPI on the volume spike before they broke out today as well. Again, that was a mask play. I'm going to go over each one of these also in the videos before this and after this. But again, I did want to mention that because if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through it again. And of course, we do mention things like FULC. If they have major news, we'll definitely post those news in the morning before pre-market, so that way we don't miss out on these plays. But again, as you guys can see here on FULC, you guys can see we have been overall breaking out. We're coming down, testing the 50-day moving average, looking to see if we can hold the 20-day moving average above the 50-day moving average to give us that continuation. So as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we have the 20-day moving average still holding above the 50, barely at this point. We're going to see if we can get the 20-day moving average to curl up here to give us that momentum. And again, bouncing off the 50-day moving average, as you guys can see, we are consolidating here on the 50-day moving average to see if we can bounce up again above that 20-day moving average and bounce off the 20-day moving average to give us that momentum. But I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for on this major resistance. As you guys can see here, we have a major resistance around $22. We could not break the body of the candle above $22. As you guys can see, we had multiple rejections previously at this point. We had about a double top here previously, and we had a continuation sell-off since then. So again, we have a major resistance that we do have here, and that's exactly why we did get rejected, which shows us that we do have a major resistance here, but shows us that we also could have a continuation, as we could be just getting rejected here on the $22 mark, as we did see previously our double top. And as you guys can see previously in the stock, we do not have major resistances past this. So in my opinion, to break over $22 with the body of the candle, and then I'm going to back up to the buy pressure here so you guys can see what we're looking out for on this buy pressure. So you guys can see overall in this stock, we have more buy pressure now than we ever have in this stock. As you guys can see, we do have EMA lines that are holding above the MACD, showing us that we could continue. So in my opinion, FULC is definitely on the watch, but again, we did curl down towards the end of the day. We may have a continuation sell-off and possibly have that major rejection here at $22, as this is all-time highs. But again, in my opinion, we are going to definitely keep them on watch. Make sure we do have our alert set right above that $22 mark, so that way if it does break over 22, then we won't miss out on this one. Again, this is a simple alert in my opinion to just break over $22. Again, with buy pressure, as you guys can see, we do have on the 5-minute buy pressure coming in. But as you guys can see, we do need to break above these buy pressure points to have that continuation. So we could set that alert at $22, or we could set this buy pressure alert to give us that confirmation on momentum above this buy pressure point as well. So you guys can see breaking above this buy pressure point is going to give us that strong momentum move that we're looking for. As you guys can see, overall, we have been decreasing in buy pressure throughout the day. But however, in my opinion, with FULC testing that $22 mark and getting rejected shows us that we may have a continuation, but again, only on the watch. FULC has been on quite the run today, and again, we would not be surprised if this one continued to sell off after a major run today. And again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, you guys know what to do. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today. And again, everybody that has been supporting me in the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.